Ninja Blast Portable Blender Review. Portable blenders are everywhere, but most struggles with frozen fruit. The Ninja Blast promises real smoothies on the go. Let's see if it delivers. The Ninja Blast has a 470 ml cup, USB-C rechargeable battery, and durable stainless steel blast blade. It's designed to crush frozen fruit and ice unlike cheaper portable blenders. Pros include strong blending power, dishwasher safe ports, convenient USB-C charging, and reliable performance for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen fruit. Among its cons, it's heavier than budget blenders, takes 15 to 20 seconds for thick blends, and costs more than entry-level options like BlendJet. It's best fit for users who want reliable smoothies at work, the gym, or while traveling. It's ideal for frozen fruit lovers and protein shake drinkers.